welcome back to my channel. On today's vlog, we have something big to unbox. Alright, brief background first. The monitor is extremely high in demand. It's been released for a couple of months now, and we finally have our hands on it. Let me bring it up to the table. Oh my lord! I hope you guys are excited because what we have in front of us is the Xiaomi 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor. Product link in the description below. Before we start the unboxing, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I release tech videos weekly, so if you guys like that, hit that subscribe button and help me out. Now it's time to unbox this monster! What is that? Oh dear.
Mga metals.
That thing was extremely hard to get out of the box. Alright, so let's get rid of this. Alright, now that I got everything out, let's clean this out first in one snap. Alright, now that we're done cleaning up, we can see what's inside of the box. So we got the manual book over here, classic. We have some screws. So Xiaomi gave us a display port. We have the power adapter over here. Alright, so moving on to the accessories. The arm. This thing over here is actually a magnetic cover to hide our cables, and this isn't usually part of any monitor, so big props to Xiaomi for putting this on here. So this stand is perfect for cable management, which is something we should all do when we get our monitors. Later down the line, it does get a bit hard to clean those up. This is me speaking from experience. And the monitor stand that goes along with the arm. So this is some pretty standard stuff when we're getting a monitor. Now time for the main event. Let me bring it up for you guys. Yo, this is a crazy size for a monitor. My monitor over there at the back, it's also 34 inches, but it isn't curved and it's only at 1080p. This one on the other hand has a resolution of 3440 by 1440, and that's crazy for an ultra wide, especially at this price. Let me put this down first. So now that we got that out of our hands, this is a crazy price for an ultra-wide monitor. So this monitor goes for around $350 in the States, and that's around 20,000 here in the Philippines. I honestly don't think you can find any monitor cheaper than this one, especially for the value that it brings. But I might be wrong, so comment down in the section below if you actually think that there's something cheaper than this monitor for the specs that it brings. So let's check over the back of this monitor. Over here at the back, we have two HDMI ports, two DP ports, and one headphone jack. And this is where we're gonna be putting the arm of the monitor. We also have some Xiaomi branding, and it just looks so clean and minimalistic in my opinion. So before I go try out this monitor, I just wanna say that I absolutely love Xiaomi products because I really do feel that they're worth the cash. You know how we always say that we wish Apple products were cheaper? Well, if Apple products were cheaper, then Xiaomi would definitely be that company. At a very affordable price tag, they managed to make products still feel as premium. From both the design and functionality standpoint, Xiaomi is actually a solid 10 out of 10. So enough chit chat, let's go ahead and plug this to my MacBook for a quick test. Now that we got the MacBook on, this thing looks even bigger. However, I do see some bezels here on the side. And for a monitor to release in 2020, I was hoping for something with thinner ones. But Xiaomi does manage to keep it looking premium. Again, this monitor is 34 inches and it just feels immersive if you ask me. It also makes use of a curved VA panel. I heard a lot are pretty skeptical about the colors of this display. The Mi Ultrawide Monitor can display up to 16 million colors, and it's also set to cover up to 121% of sRGB and 85% of the NTSC Color gamut. People would normally buy ultra-wide monitors for productivity, and as a current ultra-wide monitor owner, I would completely vouch for this. I think it's just perfect for people that like to multitask and jump from application to application. It's also perfect for those who video edit just like me because it's just easier to edit on a bigger screen wherein we can see our entire timeline for the video. The screen real estate of ultra-wide monitors just spoils you, and it's hard to go back after working on one. Alright, so this monitor is actually catered towards gamers. Even though I would primarily get this just for the productivity aspect, it's important to know that this thing is a gaming monitor and can match up against most monitors. With the 1440p resolution and the 144Hz refresh rate and the 4 millisecond input lag, at Xiaomi's affordable price tag, this is a monitor to beat. A number of you guys may be searching for a monitor now because of that current work from home or online class situation. One thing you'll notice when searching for the right monitor is how prices significantly increase when the ultra-wide is curved. That is why if you're thinking about saving money, then this is definitely your best bet. Another feature that would surely add to productivity would be the multi-window mode. You can take advantage of the 21:9 aspect ratio and just switch to the settings at the back. I feel that this is just perfect for those who love multitasking. If you like this video, help me out by giving me a thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button, and ringing that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.